Most men kiss women wrong their entire life, not because they're unattractive, not because they lack confidence, because nobody ever showed them where the real magic actually happens. Stay till the end, because number 5 is the one almost no man ever uses, and it's the most powerful of all. Here's something most men never realize. Attraction isn't just about what you say. It's not about how you look. It's not about what you text. It's about touch, specific touch, in specific places. Women are wired psychologically and physically to respond to certain kinds of contact in a deep, almost automatic way. The man who understands this, he doesn't chase. Women think about him when he's gone. Here are 6 spots that trigger the deepest attraction response in women, backed by psychology. Let's go. Point 1, the back of the neck. You're standing close to her. Instead of going straight for the kiss, you slowly brush your fingers across the back of her neck. Watch what happens to her. That area is packed with nerve endings connected directly to her nervous system. One gentle touch there sends one message to her brain: safety. And when a woman feels safe, she opens up completely. Before you kiss her, pause. Place your hand gently there. Let the moment build. That pause alone will make her heart race. Point 2, the inner wrist. This one surprises everyone. The inner wrist is one of the most vulnerable parts of the human body. When you kiss her there, slowly, intentionally, you're triggering something ancient in her psychology. She exposes something soft. You honor it. In that one moment, you've created more intimacy than 100 compliments ever could. Reach across, turn her wrist gently, kiss it. Don't make it weird, make it intentional. That's everything. Point 3, the collarbone. The collarbone sits right at the edge of exposure and mystery. Kissing her there, lightly, slowly, makes her brain start imagining what comes next. You're not just kissing skin, you're creating an experience inside her mind. The collarbone also sits near her pulse points. She can feel the warmth of your lips against her own heartbeat. That feeling is primal, and she won't forget it. Point 4, the temple. Most men would never think of this one. A soft kiss on her temple says something words can never say. I see you. I'm here. I care. And here's the truth that surprises most men. That kind of touch makes her desire you more, not less. Women feel attraction through emotional safety first. Use this after a real conversation, after she's been vulnerable with you. The timing makes it unforgettable. Point 5, behind the ear. This is the one almost no man ever uses. The skin behind the ear is incredibly thin and sensitive. A kiss there, combined with the warmth of your breath, sends sensation across her entire body. Her brain doesn't just register the kiss, it amplifies it. Here's the key: don't rush, lean in slowly. Let her feel your presence before your lips even touch. That buildup is half the experience. Point 6, the hand, simple, underrated, and devastating when done right. Not a handshake, not a casual touch, a slow, deliberate kiss on the back of her hand with full eye contact, 2 senses completely engaged, fully focused on her. She feels chosen. In a world full of distracted men, a man who is fully present is magnetic. 6 spots, 6 ways to make her feel something she can't explain: the neck, the wrist, the collarbone, the temple, behind the ear, the hand. Women aren't waiting for a perfect man. They're waiting for a present man, one who pays attention, one who moves with intention. That man can be you. Which one surprised you most? Comment below. I read everyone. And subscribe, because next video, I'm breaking down the exact reason why some men naturally make women feel safe without saying a single word. See you there.